So here on the left hand side of the LEXION, one of the settings we can do is what we call the MSS roller, which is this one here, is the multi-finger separation system. So we have a number of positions we can put it into, and this is position 3, which is the standard setting. If we have particularly dry crops, what we can do is we can put it into position 1, which is up here. Once the bolt is tight, it's set. So that's particularly dry crops. If we have crops with slight wrapping tendencies, what we can do is we can put it into what we call position 6, which is up here. And the same again, once the bolt is tight, it is now set. So that's slight wrapping tendencies in number 6. And then last but not least, if you're doing special crops like flax or peas, you have position 7, which is right up here.